So hello traders, welcome to my channel. In the last video I placed here a trade, so I will explain here why I placed that trade. So let's begin. As you can see, I placed after after this candle here, I place here a lower option, right? So I'll see you the level here. You can see the major trend is downtrend, but this is not the main thing. That's the reason I placed a lower option. The main reason is here. If you observe this market, okay, let me draw it. In this market, right here, I saw a ranging market, right? Market is moving here to here to here, right? So this is a ranging market. I saw this is a ranging market, right? In this ranging market, I'm saying, wait a minute. In this ranging market, I'm saying that this level working as a here work as a support and here work as a resistance, right? You can see, and after that, here from we are seeing a strong rejection. Again we are seeing a strong rejection, right, from that level, and here after rejecting we are seeing a strong sellers. Here you can see rejection and sellers entry, again buyers try, again we are seeing a rejection and again sellers entry, right? After this sellers, buyers are try to broke that level, right? Buyers are trying strongly to break that level, right? But they are unable to break. We are seeing they're trying, but they failed here to break, and we are seeing a sellers, right? We are seeing a very weak sellers here, right? After very weak sellers and buyers are strong, we can expect that buyers may break this level, right? Because sellers are very weak, so sellers may take this opportunity to break that level, because previously we were seeing here huge rejection and strong sellers, but here we are seeing a very weak sellers compared to previous, so buyers may take this opportunity to break that level, right? But here we are seeing that after weak sellers, buyers are also unable to break that level and they became very weak. Here they are very strong, but here they became very weak. Even the sellers are very weak, and there is no new high too. So that I think that buyers didn't take this opportunity to break this level, so sellers may enter from that level again, because now buyers are very weak, right? And there is a rejection too, and there is a new low too, right? Here is a previous new and there is a new low, right? That's why I'm expecting that sellers will enter. That's why I place here a lower option. Here the main reason is not the main reason is that the major trend is downtrend. Here the trend main thing is here the market is ranging, and I thought that because of this strengthness of buyers may try to break because of this, because of this double bottom pattern. I thought they may broke that level, but sellers are very weak, though buyers are unable to broke that level. That's why I think that now the sellers will take this opportunity to enter, and finally sellers enter very strongly this candle. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment.